Hello again. Today, let's talk about ways we use our Chromebook. Let's first talk about sound. It is really important that when we're using a Chromebook and listening to a video that we use our headphones or earbuds so that we don't distract others. Let me show you how to do it. So, on the side of your Chromebook, you will see a little round hole. This is where you would insert your headphones. Very gently. Watch how softly I put this into my computer. You'll feel it kind of click. This is how you're supposed to do it. When you're done with your headphones, you do the same thing. You gently pull it out. Just like with your charger, you want to be sure that you don't bend it or push it too hard because this piece can break off inside of your Chromebook. Now let's look at adjusting the volume of our sound. On your keyboard, you will see a little lock and you will see a speaker with 2 lines and a speaker with 1 line and a speaker with a slash through it. The speaker with the slash through it means mute. There will be no sound. The speaker with the 1 line is what lowers the volume. That makes it quiet. The speaker with 2 lines makes your volume turn up and makes your sound louder. So you can decide how loud or how quiet you want the sound in your Chromebook to be. As you can see, the little blue bar moves up when I push the 2 lines and moves down when I push the one with 1 line. When I click mute, the little blue line turns gray. This is how you fix your sound. Now let's talk about the settings on your Chromebook. Your Chromebook is going to already be set in a way that it's easy for you to use. Please don't go through and change your settings. Now you can see my daughter, she changed the background to some pictures of some cute little pug puppies that she likes. That's okay. It doesn't make it harder for her to use her Chromebook. But please don't go and change the languages or the time or any of the other little settings that you click the clock and can choose from. That makes it hard for you to use your Chromebook and it may interfere with some lessons that you're doing with your teacher. It's best to leave all those settings alone. Let's talk about your trackpad. The trackpad is the rectangle at the bottom of your Chromebook. This is what you use to click and select things on your screen. So if you just take 1 finger, you can control how your mouse moves around your screen. The little arrow is your mouse. Now, if you want to click on something, you simply put the arrow on top of it and gently tap your trackpad. You'll feel it click. When you do that, you will be selecting the item that you choose. To scroll with your trackpad, you're going to use 2 fingers like this. I have a screen up and I want to scroll and see what's down below. I would take my 2 fingers and push them up on my trackpad so that I can scroll through my website. So 2 fingers drug up or down will help me scroll on a website.